start relations and functions. Okay, right. So what is that question in that? In a class of 50 students, how many students are there? 50 students are there. In a class of 50 students, total 50 students are there. 10 students did not opt for maths. Here, maths as well as science, both are there. Maths, science. So, 10 students did not opt for maths means they won't opt for maths means they opt for science. Here 10 we can say that. 15 did not opt for science. So 15 not opt for science means they opt for maths only. Okay, right. They opt for maths only. Now here one more condition is there. Two did not opt for either. That means two persons did not opt for maths as well as science. Hi Tejas, good evening. See, two did not opt for either means I will remove 2 from this, I will remove 2 from this. Okay, right. So, orally what we get? 15 minus 2 is nothing but 13, as well as 10 minus 2 is nothing but 8. Okay, so 21 persons these does not opt for, that means these won't opt for mathematics as well as science. Okay, now the question is number of students opt for both maths and science. Okay, total how many students are there? 50 students minus these students does not opt for any of the subject. Okay, now these does not opt for any of the subject, and here one more is there, 2 also included. So that means what we can say that plus 2 is nothing but 23 will be there. So 23, 50 minus 23, how much? 27. Okay, so the answer will be 27. 27 will be correct answer. Okay, na? So next we will move on to one more question. What will be the another question? See this question. Okay, so all of you come on to the live, so you can see the problem as well as you have to say the answers also. Okay, let us start. There are 2000, 20,000, not 2000, 20,000 people are there. Total number of persons is equal to 20,000. Total 20,000 persons are there. Out of them, 9,000 opt for Star TV and 12,000 opt for GTV and 4,000 opt for both of them. Then how many of not subscribed? This is the question. Okay, so this is easiest and this is previous question. This is previous question. Let us see. Star TV is there as well as GTV is there. Okay, so total how many are opted for both? 4,000. Next, Star TV means how many opted? Opted for Star TV 9,000. 9,000 means already 4,000 came. How many will be there? 5,000. Okay, here GTV how many? 12,000. Among them 12,000, already 4,000 means total 8,000 will be there. Okay. So here 5,000 only for star, 8,000 only for G, 4,000 for both star as well as G channel. So total will be total subscribers. What are subscribers total? 5,000 plus 4,000 plus 8,000. How much these are? 8 plus 4, 12 plus 5, 17, isn't it? 17,000. And the question is, how many are not subscribed? Not subscribed means from total members, I will subtract this. What will be? 20,000 minus 17,000. So the answer will be 3,000. These 3,000 people are not subscribers. This will be the answer, 3,000. Okay, 3,000 will be the correct answer. Understood? So I have substituted in Venn diagram. Okay, next I will move on to one more problem. This is also previous question and a little bit of a twisting question also. See it once. What was there? First see the question. So you can see the question and after that you can say the answer also. Yes, see the question. In an exam, 70% students passed in Hindi and 60% passed in English. 40% passed in both. Then the percentage of failure students. This is the question. 70% students passed in Hindi as well as 60% passed in English. First of all, I will draw a Venn diagram of passed students. Okay. See, 70% passed. Actually, what we need? Failure students I need. Okay, na? So, first of all, 40% passed in both. Here I can take 40. Okay. So, next second one, 70% I will take here Hindi and here it is as English. Okay. So, among these, what is the question? 70% passed in Hindi. Already 40 came, 30 we will have. Next, after that, English, how many? 60% passed. 40 already came, 20 will be there. So then, total how many will be? That is 30 plus 40 plus 20. 70 plus 20 will be 90. 90% passed people. Okay. What is the question? What is the percentage of failures? 90% passed means automatically failures will be how many? 10%. Failures are how many? 10%. This will be the correct answer. Okay. So 10% failures are there. Next, I will move on to one more problem. What is that? In an exam, 70% students passed in Hindi and 65% passed in mathematics and 28% failed in both. The question is the percentage of students passed in both. That is the question. Okay. See the question and try to solve the answer. Okay. What is given? in an entrance exam, how many students are there? 70% of the students passed in Hindi. See, I will draw the Venn diagram first as well as second. First one is Hindi and second one is maths. Okay. So, according to the condition, what was the condition? 70% students passed in Hindi. 70% passed in Hindi means how many persons passed in, failed? 30% failed in Hindi. Okay. And one more thing. Next, here I will write 30% failed in Hindi. Okay. And 65% passed in mathematics. 65% passed in mathematics means 35 failed in mathematics. Okay. 35% failed in mathematics. Okay. So these are also failed. These are also failed. Okay. Na? Now 28% failed in both given. Now I will take 28 failed. I am taking all failed. Okay. 28% failed. Total both. Now see mathematics. Hindi I will see. Hindi means 30. Already 28 came means 2 will be there. Isn't it? Next 35. 35 in this already 28 means how many? 7 will be there. Okay na? So total how many will be? 28 plus 2 plus 7. How much? 37. Okay. So I need passed students. Passed students means passed 100% of the students minus 37 of the students. Answer will be 63. So answer is 63 is correct answer. Okay. So this is about problem. Okay na? So with this one more problem, and with this problem I will go to another topic. Okay. So this is end of the sets. Okay na? See the question. In a school of 70% people speak Kannada and 60% speak Hindi. Okay. And 40%, see, 70% speak Kannada, 60% speak Hindi, and 40% speak both. Total 80 members do not speak any language. Then the question is number of students. This is the question. Okay. So check and try to solve the answer. Anybody can try. Total how many? 70% Kannada. I will draw the diagram. This is Venn diagram. First, this is about Kannada as well as Hindi. Okay. So 40% can speak both means I will take here 40. Okay. Next, 70% speak Kannada means 40. 40. 70 minus 40 will be 30. Okay. After that, 60% speak Hindi means 40 plus 20. Okay. So the total members who can speak. So persons, total persons can speak. What are the, who are those? How many members are those? 30 plus 40 plus 20. How much is 70 plus 20? 90. Okay na? So 90% people can speak any of the language. Okay na? But in question what is given? 80 members do not speak. So 90% can speak means 10% cannot speak. 10% cannot speak. So in question 80 members do not speak. That means 10% value is 80 members. Okay, we need total students. What about 100%? This is the question. Okay, so 10 members, 10% is equal to 80 members, means we can write it as 10 eights 80. Then 100 eights, how much we get? 800. Or simply you can do in this way, 100 into 80 divided by 10. 10 got cancelled, 800. Both are same. So the answer will be 800. Okay. So this is the way to find the solution. Okay. I think you got the solution. And next I will move on to new topic, that is relations and functions. Okay, relations and functions, it is very important topic. From this also so many questions are coming in all types of competitive exams. Okay na? So see the problem. What is the problem? First, to understand or to see the problem, before that we need to know about what do you mean by relation, what do you mean by function. Okay na? So relations, relations that depends on Cartesian product. You have to know about Cartesian product. Cartesian product. What do you mean by Cartesian product? Anybody? Very simple. Cartesian product means suppose capital A and B, these are non-empty sets. A and B are two non-empty sets. Then the Cartesian product is denoted by A cross B. And we can define the Cartesian product as A cross B is equal to set of all ordered pairs such that A belongs to capital A as well as B belongs to capital B. Okay, so this is about Cartesian product of A cross B. And B cross A, how can we define? B cross A is equal to set of all ordered pairs A comma B such that A belongs to capital B. First element belongs to first set. Second element belongs to second set. So B belongs to A. Okay na? So this is about Cartesian product. Here what I mentioned, A comma B are non-empty sets. Simple, we can take one example. What is that example? A is equal to set of all 1 comma 2 and B is equal to set of all A comma B. Then the Cartesian product A cross B will be set of all ordered pairs. Okay na? Set of all ordered pairs means what we get? 1 comma A, 1 comma B, 2 comma A, 2 comma B. So this is about Cartesian product. This is A cross B. And similarly, B cross A, if we want to find, B cross A is equal to, we need to from here to here, what we get? A1 ordered pair A2, B1 ordered pair B2. So here A cross B not equal to B cross A. We need to Understand this concept. Okay, na? A cross B not equal to B cross A. So, whenever what I said non-empty sets. Here A is non-empty, B is non-empty. Non-empty means it has elements. Suppose empty sets. Whenever A is empty set, B is also empty set. Then the Cartesian product is also empty. Okay, na? So non-empty means non-empty. Empty means empty. Okay, na? Right. So remember this condition, A cross B not equal to B cross A. And here I got one condition. N of A, how many elements are there? Already I told N of A means cardinality. Cardinality is nothing but number of elements. N of A is equal to how many? 2. N of B is equal to how many? 2. Okay. So then number of elements in A cross B. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is nothing but 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Okay. Very simple. So from this I can write one formula. What is that formula? Number of elements. Number of elements in A cross B if N of A is equal to A and N of B is equal to B is, what is that? N of A cross B is equal to AB. First one into second one. Okay, na? So, or simply we can say that N of A cross B is equal to N of A into N of B. This is the condition. Okay, very simple. And I will give one question. Suppose A is equal to set of all 1, 2, 3. B is equal to set of all 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, then N of A cross B, how much answer will be? Can you say, anybody? How much answer will be? What will be the answer? Tejas Aure, try to say the answer. What will be the answer? Very simple. What is answer? The answer is 3 into 4. So 3 into 4. Answer is 12. Very simple. So number of elements in the Cartesian product. Okay, na? Right. Now I will move on to one more condition, that is our main topic, relation. What do you mean by relation? Okay, see this. Actually, our topic name is relations and functions, no? So first relation should be increased. After that, that sum of the relations will comes under functions. Okay, na? Right. I will see first what is relation. Relation is nothing but any subset of Cartesian product. Cartesian product is called relation. Is called relation. That means any subset of Cartesian products. Okay, I will take one example. See this. A is equal to, I will take set of all 1 comma 2 comma 3. B is equal to, I will take A comma B. So then how many elements are there in Cartesian product? Means 3 2s are 6. 6 elements will be there. What are the 6 elements? A cross B is equal to 1A 1B, 2A 2B, 3A 3B. Okay, so this will be the Cartesian product. Now what I said relation means any subset of this Cartesian product. Subset, we know subset. From this I will take sum of the elements 1 comma A 3 comma B. From this I have taken, this is a relation. Okay, because from this set I have taken sum of the elements. Here R is subset of A cross B. Any subset of A cross B is called relation. Okay, how can we represent this relation? See this, to represent this relation I will use arrow marked diagrams. This is A and this is B. Here I have 1, 2, 3 and here I have A, B. 1A, 1 is related to A. This is called arrow mark. And here 3B, 3 is related to B. Okay, na? So this is the way to represent the relation. Okay, see, I will take one more. What will be 1B, 2A, 3B? I will take one more subset. This is also a relation. How can we write or how can we represent the relation? A, B, and this is 1, 2, 3, A, B, 1B. Okay, this is the way. Next after that 2A, this is the way. Next 3B, this is the way. So that's why this is also a relation. Okay, so like this, how many relations we can define? Can you guess, anybody, how many relations we can define? Simple, the number of relations, it is most important. I am going to write number of relations. Number of relations from a set capital A to another set capital B is 2 power n of A into n of B. So this is most important formula, because based on this formula some of the questions will be asked. Okay, na? So I will give one question and you can say the answer. What is the question? See this. Suppose A is equal to 1 comma 2, B is equal to A comma B comma C. Then what about number of relations? Number of relations from A to B. This is the question. Okay, what will be the answer? Anybody can guess. Very simple. N of A is equal to how much? 2. N of B is equal to how much? 3. Okay, so the formula is, what is formula? Number of relations. Number of relations 2 power n of A into n of B. 2 power n of A into n of B. 2 power n of A into n of B means just substitute 2 power n of A. How many? 2 into n of B. 3, that is nothing but 2 power 6. 2 power 6, 64. Okay, na? So that will be the number of relations. Okay, na? So by using the formula 2 power n of a into n of b, I got the answer. Understood? Nice, very easy. Next, I will move on to one more condition. What is that? Functions. Functions. Okay, see this. This is also most important condition. Function. What do you mean by function? Function means what? See, already I told relations. Relations as well as functions. So all relations cannot comes to functions. In simple language, we have so many relatives will be there, but not all the persons come to our function, because some of the very nearest relatives which satisfies our conditions will comes our function. Okay, na? So see the definition. Function. What do you mean by function? A relation. To form a function, we need relation. A relation from a set capital A to set B is called function. Is called function if for every element of A has unique image in B. This is the condition. Then we can say that the relation, what is that relation? F I can take. That relation is function from A to B. How can we denote this one? F from A to B, symbolic notation. Okay, na? So a relation, first I need a relation. Relation from A to B is called function. For it should satisfy this condition, for every element of A has unique image in B. Okay, na? For every element of A has unique image in B. Right? So see, how can we write same previous example I will take. What is that example? A is equal to set of all A, what I have taken 1, 2, 3, as well as B is equal to ordered pair A comma B. Okay, so in this, what about A cross B? I have written A cross B. A cross B is equal to set of, we can write it as 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B. Cartesian product I have. Next, relation. You can take any relation. What is that relation? I will take 1A, 2B. Just this one I have taken. Is it called function? Check. Is it called function? Water. Is it called function? I will check by this arrow marked diagrams. 1, 2, 3, A, B. 1 is related to A and 2 is related to B. Okay. Is it a function? Can you say, is it a function? Is it a function? No. Because It is not a function because according to definition, what was the definition? For every element of A, here 1, 2, 3. Every element of A means here 3 not used. That's why every condition failed. That's why it is not a function. Okay. Next, I will take one more. What is that? Ordered pair 1 comma A, 2 comma A, 3 comma B. See this. Otherwise, I will take like this. 2 comma B I will take, or okay, no problem. Let us see. See this. 1, 2, 3, A, B. Is it a function? Is this relation called a function? 1A, 2B, 3B. Yes. Is it a function? It is a function because according to definition, what was the definition? For every element I have used in first set has unique image in B. Unique image means 1 has one relation, 2 has one relation, 3 has one relation. That's why it is a function. Okay. Now let us see one more example. What will be another example? R is equal to, I will take 1A, 1B, 2A, 3B. Is it a function? Is it a function? Let us check. I will draw the diagram. 1, 2, 3, A, B. 1A, 1B, 2A, 3B. Is it a function? No, this is not a function because here 3 has one relation, 2 has one relation, but one have two relations. Okay na? So one have more than one relation. So that's why it is not a function. Okay. So we can identify easily whenever the relation given in ordered pairs. Simple. Here x coordinates. See this, here x coordinates are same. Okay na? So x coordinates are same means we can say that easily it is not a relation. Okay. So I'm going to write one of the important conditions, that is if a function is represented in ordered pairs, is represented in ordered pairs, so if the function is represented in ordered pairs, then it is not a function. It is not a function if any two ordered pairs have same x coordinates. Okay. Suppose, see this, if a function is represented in ordered pairs, this is in ordered pairs. in ordered pairs, then it is not a function if any two ordered pairs have same x coordinate. Here x coordinate is same, that's why it is not a function. Easily we can identify. Okay, na? I will give one question. Check which of the following is a function. Okay, I will write the question. Which of the following, which of following is function? Okay, which of the following is function? See the question. Ordered pair x comma 1, y comma 1, z comma 2. Okay, whenever a is equal to set of all x comma y comma z and b is equal to set of all 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, and I will take one more ordered pair x comma 1, y comma 2 and z comma 3. Next, ordered pair x comma 1, x comma 2, y comma 3, z comma 2. Next, fourth one, x comma 1, y comma 1, z comma 1. Which of the following is not a function? That is the question. Which of the following is not a function? Guess about this. Not a function means simple. Here x, y, z all are used. Okay, so it is a function. Here x, y, z all are used. It is also a function. Here x, y, z all are used. It is also a function. But here, see this, two ordered pairs have same x coordinate. That's why it is not a function. Okay, na? It is not a function. It failed the property of function. Okay, that's why it is not a function. The correct answer is third one. Okay, next, to identify the function, we have one more condition is also there. Okay, na? What is one more condition? If we draw a graph of a function, okay, if we draw graph of a function, graph of function, in that if we draw a line parallel to y-axis, parallel to y-axis, parallel to y-axis, if the line intersects the graph at one point, then the graph is a function. Okay, if we draw a graph of given curve, I can say instead of function, curve. In that, if we draw a line parallel to y-axis, If the line intersect the graph at one point, then the graph is called a function. Okay, it is a little bit of different to understand. So I can say by giving one example. Okay, what will be the example? Suppose I will take x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. It is a parabola or ellipse. Yes, it is ellipse. So this is the form of ellipse. Okay, what I said, draw the graph of the curve. I have drawn. Next, what we need to take? We need to draw a line parallel. We need to draw a line parallel to y-axis. This is the line parallel to y-axis. Okay. So, if the line intersect the graph at one point, see, it intersect the graph at 2 points. That's why it is not a function. Okay, function means that should intersect exactly at one point. Okay, see one more. For example, I will take x square is equal to 4ay. I will take this curve. What do you call this curve? This curve is parabola. Okay, and the structure of the parabola will be like this. Okay, now let us draw a line parallel to y-axis. Draw a line. I have drawn where it intersects exactly one point. That's why this is a function. Okay, na? So function is nothing but in the graph the line parallel to the y-axis should intersect at one point. Okay. For example, I will give one question. You can say which of the following is function. Which of the following is function? Okay. Okay, I will take first one, this one, second one, this one, third one, this one, and fourth one, this one. So I have drawn 4 diagrams. Among these 4 diagrams, which of the following is function? You have to say A, B, C, D. 4 options are there. Which one is function? You can check. Either A or B or C or D. Anybody can guess. Very simple. I can say that first, to identify it is function or not, we need to draw a line parallel to y-axis. I have drawn. So it intersects at 2 points. That's why it is not a function. Suppose I will draw a line parallel to y-axis. It is also intersects at 2 points. This is also not a function. Okay. Next, I will draw a line parallel to y-axis. Here it is also intersects at 2 points. It is also not a function. Now last one, I will draw a line. This intersects exactly at one point. That's why this is a function. Understood? Function means I have drawn a parallel line to y-axis. Okay, this function is called modulus function. Y is equal to mod x. Y is equal to mod x is always function. That is called modulus function. Different types of functions will be there. Okay, na? Modulus function we got. So similarly, I can write like this. This is. So here, this is the graph, and we can write this graph as f of x is equal to x cube. Okay. This graph is also a function because if I draw a perpendicular line, here I got a point of intersection and the intersection is only one point. That's why this is also a function. So like this, we can define so many functions. Majorly, you got the concept, I think. Okay, to identify the function, very easy. Whenever ordered pairs given, in ordered pairs we need to check majorly. I have written here, what is that? This one. If the function has, or if the ordered pairs, any of two ordered pairs have same x coordinates, then it is not a function. This is one of the properties. And after that, second one, if we draw the graph of given curve, okay, draw a line parallel to y-axis. If it touches or intersect at one point, then it is a function. Clear? Okay. So this is about functions topic. Okay. So in this, plenty of conditions are there. First condition I will do. What is that first condition? I have already told f from a to b. This is called function. Okay. In this function, this a is called domain. A is called domain. Next, B is called codomain. B is called codomain. Okay. So suppose I will take like this: 1, 2, 3, A, B. 1A, 2A, 3B. Like this I have taken. So if A, B I have taken here. So here this A is called domain and B is called codomain. Okay. And one more will be there, range. What do you mean by range? Range is nothing but the set of all ordered, or the set of all elements which are images of the given elements. Means one image is A, two images A, three images B. Okay, these images. For example, if ordered pair A comma B belongs to F, then the range we can define as B belongs to F such that ordered pair A comma B belongs to F. Okay, where A belongs to capital A or B belongs to capital B. Okay, so range is nothing but B belongs to capital B, where ordered pair A comma B belongs to F. So that means I can say that from the given diagram, domain What is domain? Domain is equal to set of 1 comma 2 comma 3. What is codomain? Codomain is ordered pair A comma B. Range. What is range? I said here B belongs to capital B where A comma B belongs to F. That means if I write like this, F is equal to 1A, 2A, 3B. Here A comma B, we need to take B, that means A, B. Same answer. Ordered pair A comma B. So very simple, the relation which have those comes under range. Okay, so by giving one more example, I will conclude today's topic. Okay, so what is that? If I take like this, ordered pair 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D. I draw the relation A 1 to A, 2 to A, 3 to B. Okay, so now what will be domains as well as range as well as codomains? First of all, is it a function? Yes, it is a function because every element in A has unique relation. 1 has, 2 has, 3 has. Okay, na? So here domain, what is domain is 1, 2, 3. Codomain. Codomain is A, B, C, D. What is range? Range is the set of A comma B comma D because C didn't have pre-image. That's why. So domain, codomain, range. Okay, na? This is about domains as well as ranges. Next, in next class, we will discuss so many topics like types of functions and how many functions we can draw from first set to second set. Okay, and after that, problems based on functions, and moreover, what do you mean by composite function? All types of conditions we can see. Okay, so in next class. Okay, so if there is any doubts or if there is any comments, if you want to say, if there is any problems in explanation, just you comment. Don't forget to comment and I will ready to give answers to you. Okay, thank you very much.